Hello guys, if you want to play multiplayer in Forza Horizon 6, then it is actually very easy. As long as you have an internet connection, the game will normally start you in Horizon Life automatically, which is basically the online multiplayer mode. Now if you started the game in offline mode and later want to switch back online, then what you want to do is open up the online section from the menu. In here, you should be able to find the Horizon Life option. Right now, in my case, it shows Horizon Solo because I am already connected online, but if I switch over to Horizon Solo, which is the offline mode, then I can simply come back here again and select Horizon Life to reconnect to multiplayer. So overall, the process is very simple and straightforward. Once you're online, you should start seeing other real players driving around the map while roaming. You can also head into Horizon Play, where you can join different online races and multiplayer game modes. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.